Alright guys, so today we're going to talk about the formation of a cup and handle formation. We are looking at a daily chart of Ethereum, and as you can see we had this huge parabolic move up from the low 40s all the way up to almost $420. Now, while this is happening, we have people buying this dip, we've had people buying into this upward move, and we've had also people who bought over here. Now, these are the unlucky folks because once they bought, the price began to retrace. Now, as it's retracing, obviously, the people that bought down here, some of them are probably, they might be day traders or swing traders. They might be pulling their profits. They might say, hey, I'm going to reposition. I made a lot of money. Or, maybe they bought up here and they need to get out before they go red on this entry, right? So price starts falling. And then we might have some people with the buy and hold mentality saying, I'm not going to look at this until 10 years, so I don't care what it does right now. But nevertheless, we are getting a nice substantial drop. And what we need to wait for is where it's going to find support. Now, if we look at this area right around over here, we can see that the price more or less found some support. It dipped a little bit below, it got a lot of buying action, pushed it back up. Big buyers came in, pushed it up real high, and maybe some people who were kind of borderline in this area took broke-even profits, or maybe they bought this panic dip and they took their profits over here, and the price, sells off a little bit and consolidates in this area until it starts moving back up. Now, while it's moving back up, you've got some of the people who watched this giant move and said, okay, I'm not buying, I'm not going to chase, I'm going to wait for the dip. The dip happened, and now they've got confirmation that we're going back up, so maybe they're going to start buying. Maybe some of the buy and hold mentality people are going to buy more over here, or maybe some of the people who are holding the bag are also going to buy more over here. Now, as this is going up, other people who've been sidelining are going to want to join the party, and they're going to push this thing up, right? But as we get closer and closer to the old highs, momentum starts to kind of slightly fade. And what's happening? Well, people are looking at the old highs, especially the people who are holding the bag and saying, all right, I'm not going to do this again. It's not going to make new highs. It's, last time I bought over here, I lost half of my money. I'm going to sell this time. So they start selling. They start selling, causes a little bit of a dip. More people start selling. Maybe some stop losses are getting hit. Price pulls back a little bit. And as the price pulls back, that's going to give us a handle. Now, as we can see over here, the entire drop from the previous highs and the move back up gives us this nice curvature shape that signifies our cup. Now, the little retracement we're going to get over here is mainly, people taking their profits, people who've been holding from before. Maybe they didn't even buy more. Maybe they're just going to pull their money and say, I'm out of this. I'm glad I got my money back, and that's it. So, we'll probably get a little pullback, probably somewhere around to this level where we have previous level of consolidation and support. And then once we come somewhere around this area, I think we're going to be on our way to making new highs.